Are you struggling to make more sales in your business? Then this video is for you. My name is Megan Gersh. I've been a web designer and marketer for over 13 years, and I want to show you 3 different ways that you could potentially streamline your marketing and your checkout process so that you can make more sales in your business. But first, hit subscribe and then hit that bell icon in order to be notified for branding, marketing, and web design tips. The first tip is something that you can implement in your marketing strategy. When you're talking about your products on social media, make sure that you are deep linking to each of those specific products within each of those posts. Because when you link to your homepage, that means the person has to click from your Instagram to your homepage, find the product that they were looking for. It's just a lot of extra steps for the customer, and it's more potential for them to fall off. Tip number 2, you want to go through your checkout process and remove any steps that are not absolutely needed in that checkout process. The easier that you can make that process on the customer from seeing the product to purchasing it, the better. If you have fields that are available on your checkout form that you aren't actually using to fulfill your customer's order, remove those. This could include questions ranging from how you found out about us to what is your favorite color. Now, while those might be pieces of information that you want to collect for future marketing purposes, the checkout process is not the place to collect that information. The point of all of this is to minimize friction and distraction for the customer. Again, this is slowing the customer down from actually making the purchase. And the more friction that you provide, the less likely that they are to complete that purchase. And number 3, you want to show a progress bar within your checkout process. Some websites display a progress bar in the form of naming exactly what step they are at. For example, billing information, shipping information. Some websites display this as simply 1 and 2. Other websites display the progress bar as icons without text at all. One way to ensure that your customers see the progress bar is to include it at the very top of your page or at the very bottom of your page. This will help the customer to visualize exactly where they are in the checkout process, as well as how far they have to go. The more simple that you can make this checkout page, the better. So if you're able to include all of the fields that you need onto a single page without it looking cluttered, then absolutely do it. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below with which one of these tips helped you the most, and I will see you in the next video.